Have you ever wondered why most forex strategies keep failing? In this video, I made mention of 3 reasons why your strategy will keep failing if you do not do these things. Go into my bio now and watch this video so you can get insight into these 3 reasons and start re-engineering your strategy so you can get results and start making money for yourself. Thank you, and join me right now. Welcome back, everybody. Just like I said, I have you just 3 reasons. I'm going to be stating out 3 reasons why your strategies keep failing, and then what you need to do, how you can re-engineer them and start making money for yourself and start profiting. Hence, one thing you should know about, let's go into it right away, guys. One thing you should know about your strategies is you don't jump from one strategy to another. You stick to strategies, but strategies to stick to must have this element within them. Now, number one is your strategies must be fully backtested, and the best way to backtest your strategies was to demo. Most of you guys do not backtest strategies. Probably you see them on YouTube, you see them online, you see them whatsoever, or you learn them from your mentors that did just 2 to 3 days whatsoever bookshop, or what I call it, workshop, masterclass, and so on and stuff. So you pick it up there. You're not that convinced that it's working fine or not. You pick it up there and you start using it, and you're not really understanding what's going on, and it's not giving you results. Probably you still need to, perhaps this might be working for the person, but you still, I used to say to people that this forex game is a game of what? Personality. This thing might also be working for this person, but you need to introduce something that is your own self, that is genuinely from you into this strategy, and you start working for yourself. Probably the style, probably you just need to reshuffle, probably you just need to do something somehow that will fit you well, that will fit your style, that will fit your personality, that will fit everything about you, and start working for you. Probably just need to twist in something around it, and that's start working for you. But yet, many people don't understand. You just pick it up there and started and expect it to what you do, the result, and to not, and you keep having that headache, and of course that issue of no, you're losing money and you're not profiting. That's number one. Number 2 is proving. This is it really proving? Has it been tested and really proving that this thing is working and it's giving results? Some of those guys do not prove the results of this strategy. What is the accuracy? Is it 50%? Is it 50%? Is it 70? Is it 40%? Is it 50? Or what? You need to have a track record that this is really working and working fine. It's giving you results, and of course it's working fine. The last one is what you guys move from one strategy to another. That will never help you. You move from one strategy to another, thinking doesn't help. Or when market condition changes, you just to leave it and think, oh, because I had a losing. I do a video. I think I had up with the last year with a losing streaks. For me, that I've been having 2-month winning streaks. I picked it up around November, 2-month winning streaks. I made a lot of money, and I wiped up the year. So will I not think that's why I've been using that gave me 2-month winning streaks is not working anymore? Let me go and be sorting for another one. No. That is just market conditions. That is happens. So you should be able to accept the loss whenever it comes. Just understand that this money strategy that's giving you money is working fine. That's the point I'll say. Either it is, I don't want to know, either it is supply and demand zone, supply and resistance, demand and supply, anyhow. Either it's even indicators, anyhow. So far, you are profiting from these stuff. You are reaping something, you are making money, you're placing withdrawals, you're placing payouts, you're getting something out, Something is being deposited into your bank account. You're fine, you're good. Go ahead with such you're doing, and it's working fine for you. Do not bother yourself about to let me begin to twist this, let me make this on it. No, don't bother yourself. Just go ahead and keep using them. Am I talking? And of course, so that strategy is what is definitely working for you, and such strategy is fine, and you can go ahead with it. Another one is that this one is also part of it. It's also part of it is that you guys also, if you do not have any strategies, or you want to stress yourself, just pick up someone else's strategy. Look into someone that you think this person is getting results. This person is common having withdrawals upon withdrawals, payouts, rewards here and there. It's catching out. Why not copy? Or if you can do follow the person on YouTube or whatever, copy the person's totally, ensure you copy the person's strategy totally, understand strategy, then implement it. For the person to be receiving payouts, receiving money, cashing out withdrawals here and there, it shows, and it means that this strategy is working and has been back tested, proven, and then of course has track record. So why not go for it? Try to learn the strategy of the person. If possible, you can consult the person to teach you one-on-one personally, because that's one of the best ways teach you one-on-one, reveal everything to you. Aha, fine. You did everything to you. You pay for the person whatsoever coaching 1 month, 2 months. You really want to learn these strategies. So you pay for a few weeks or a few months, and you're done. Once you copy out, and if you don't have the money, ensure you follow the person closely on all social medias, YouTube, everything. There's a time where you always drop one of these stuff. There are times you keep watching, and then you study the person's strategy. You will learn it, you will understand it, and that's all. You've mastered it. Then you can bring it up, and of course, copy the templates and use it for yourself. Am I talking? So those 3 major elements are very key in strategies for you to work, and that is why, and if those 3 elements are lacking, that's why your strategy will keep failing, and that's why you're not getting results. I hope you understand and you learned something today. Let me know in the comment section the strategy you're using. For me, I use a strategy, what is called pure price action as my strategy. Let me know in the comment section the strategy you're using, if it is SMC or whatever. Let me know in the comment section the strategy you're using. Thank you, and join me on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.